Welcome back. Ask anyone who suffers from back pain and they will tell you it can make life miserable. But a simple new device is having promising results, and there's an impressive list of people who say it's changing their lives.
Switch on your tummy and we're going to slowly open the arms back out.
I can actually feel that my spine muscles are getting stronger from it.
Meet the Oov. Funny name, funny shape.
When I seen it, I thought it was a blue duck.
But high-profile athletes and long-term back pain sufferers claim this odd-looking device is providing newfound relief.
I found it's made a huge improvement in my core stability and relieving sort of little niggling injuries.
The idea came about 15 years ago of working with patients and trying to get them to do some exercises, and they either wouldn't do them or they'd be doing them totally incorrectly.
The Oov is the handiwork of Daniel Vladita.
So how does it actually work?
The idea behind it is to, first of all, support the three curves of the spine.
He's an osteopath and neuroscientist who's been working with patients for 2 decades. He's also been heavily involved in the medical device industry.
What the Oov's designed to do is to lengthen your spine and straighten it up while you have to balance rotationally, which means that you're activating all the core stabilisers, but your brain's also figuring out where its centre is and repatterning that.
I've always had back pain and tried to manage back pain, and it's mainly from surfing and the job we do. You know, it's a lot of bending over.
They think it's hilarious. But if I have to go to an emergency, someone could drown.
Every day, Bondi Rescue's Anthony Harries Carroll is forced to put his body on the line for his job.
I had a bad injury when I was doing a rescue, and I popped my shoulder, I hit the rocks, and my shoulder just never come good, and that threw my back out again.
But he claims working out on the Oov has helped him build his core strength and get back to his best.
Doing little exercises and doing them very slowly on an eccentric phase has made it a lot better for my stomach and all the other muscles surrounding my back muscles.
If they don't do the exercise correctly and isolate the area that they want to work, it actually feels like you're going to fall off it. Hi Beth, how are you doing today?
Good, how are you?
Kerry Etkin is a physiotherapist who works predominantly with back pain patients. With sufferers like Beth, she's been incorporating exercises with the Oov into their treatment.
Your spine muscles are having to switch on to keep you there and to keep you stable.
I usually use the Oov in conjunction with other exercises. I don't do it alone.
Being in tune with your body is first and foremost for a world champion swimmer like James Magnussen. For the last 3 seasons, he and his squad have been incorporating exercises on the Oov into their training sessions, hoping to learn how to control their bodies while under physical stress.
It's more for strengthening my core. When you've got a strong, stable core, it really helps relieve other injuries. It takes a bit of pressure off your back, your shoulders, and you know, just makes swimming that little bit easier.
Before you lay down on one of these odd-looking devices, you should always check with your doctor or physiotherapist. But its founder believes the simple exercise routine could bypass costly and complex treatments to ease your injuries and build your strength.
Each person's different. What works brilliantly with one person is not going to work at all with the other.
It's definitely not a miracle cure, but it is a vital tool in what you need in your everyday training.
And there are more details on the Oov on our website.